Good day, BitcoinWise members. It's the 25th of May, and I'm super excited today just to share with you a little bit of all the news and things that's happening with BitcoinWise and all of us. So first of all, I'm going to start off to say, listen, we're very close now to the 7th of June for our first big function that we're going to hold at Barnyard in Pretoria in Mainland Mall. Make sure you purchase your ticket. There is some tickets left, especially if you introduce 10 people or more, paying members. I'm talking about paying members. We are going to give you a recognition pin on that day. So please make sure you've got your ticket and that you are there. Then secondly, I want to share the exciting news with you that we've got the go-ahead from Cellbucks. As from tomorrow, we will send out the information through, and you would be able to top up your wallet through Cellbucks Netbank account. And that will eliminate the frustrations that we sit at the moment for waiting for the funds to reflect in our wallet. So that's fantastic news. Then I also want to make use of this opportunity to welcome Abusa as part of the BitcoinWise family. We've signed an agreement together, a partnership agreement, and they are, as I'm speaking to you today, they already has started to load in their bulk membership base. So I want to warn you, if there's specific people you want in your first level or anywhere in your network, you have to sign them up and get them there immediately, because tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, next week, in the next month or two, there are going to be so much spillovers into the network that comes through Ibusa, and that they will fill your network, and you won't be able to have people in the specific places that you want them. So, but that's very, very excited. It's going to create a massive income for every one of us. We all work so hard to get there. I'm excited. We've already reached just over 5,000 members. So we're still new. We only started in November last year, but we're so excited. And the pace that we are moving now, together with Abusa and the GTC, I think we will hit by April. We will have a plus minus 1 million members in the network, paying members. Just a warning, we do have about 1,700 unpaid members. Please go and pay your membership fee. You are losing out. We're going to replace you with the spillovers. Remember, if you haven't paid your membership fee, you are not a member. So from my side, I just want to say thank you very much for everybody that's working so hard. We love you, and we're looking forward to see as many as possible on the 7th. So have an awesome day, and you will receive the details from Netbank to start and top up your wallets tomorrow through the Cellbucks Netbank account.